To the moon, Tinezmedia.
When I was just a boy, I caught the train into Sydney from the Blue Mountains with my dad. We saw seagulls, and now I love them. I love seagulls. I like them a lot. They're very nice. I like the way they eat the chips I give them, and I like them. I like the way they fly in the air. I like the way they call my name and say, "Hello! Hello!" I like seagulls. I love them. I love seagulls. They're very nice.
I guess I got into seagull research a few years ago. I thought I was on my own. I thought I was the only one, but I found out there's many people that love seagulls, and I'm just one who can contribute. And I really want to, you know. I want to find out what makes them tick. I want to find out what makes them dream. I want to get to know seagulls. So yeah, I'm a researcher.
Guys, that's a seagull research.
You and me, shake the memory free. Can't squash them open so. Can't chase away the.
To the moon, Tinezmedia.